I do not use OneDrive, Google Drive or Dropbox to store all of my data to the cloud. Instead, all of this, I create my own cloud storage and store all of my data to my own computer. And like this, I have full control to all of my data and no company can sell my data to the advertisers. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that too. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step that how you can create a virtual cloud server on your computer and can access it from anywhere, and you can store all of your data to your own computer from anywhere. Like this, you will have complete access and complete control to all of your data. You don't have to rely on any third-party cloud storage service. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay guys, so right now you can see my computer screen. Now, as I mentioned earlier, that if you have an old desktop computer, then first of all, you have to install Ubuntu Linux operating system on it. Then follow my video step by step. Or if you don't have any dedicated desktop computer or old computer, then you can create a virtual machine for Ubuntu Linux on your computer and can use that virtual machine as your cloud storage server. Here you can see I have installed a Ubuntu Linux virtual machine in VirtualBox. If you don't know how to install Ubuntu Linux in virtual machine or any desktop computer, I have dedicated video for all of this in my YouTube channel. I will add that videos in video description. Now first of all, what you need to do, I have to log in to my Ubuntu computer. Here I am going to log in to my Ubuntu computer. I am treating it as a Ubuntu server. Now after the virtual machine has been installed, you have to get the IP address of your Ubuntu server. So type here ifconfig and press enter, and here you will see the IP address of your Ubuntu server. Make sure to add that IP address as a static IP address in your router. So copy this IP address from here. Now we don't need to open the virtual machine again. We are going to use the native terminal of the Mac OS to access that Ubuntu server using the SSH. So open up any of your terminal. Let me zoom in a little bit, and now here I'm going to type SSH, then my IP address and the username. Then press enter. Then type my Ubuntu server IP address and press enter. And guys, I am logged in to my Ubuntu server. Now the first command, whatever you have to run, you have to update and upgrade all the packages. So type here sudo apt-y update and then sudo apt-y upgrade. Then press enter. Then type your root password and press enter. And this command going to update and upgrade all the Ubuntu packages on your Ubuntu virtual machine. So just sit back and relax until the update and upgrading get completed. Okay, once updating and upgrading get completed, we are going to forward with our next command. And now we are going to install the snapd in our Ubuntu machine. So for this, type this command sudo apt install snapd, then press enter, and it's going to install the snapd package on your Ubuntu server. And now using the snap package, we are going to install the Nextcloud. So type this command sudo snap install, then type Nextcloud, then press enter. And now this command going to install the Nextcloud server on your Ubuntu virtual machine. It also gonna take a while, so you have to wait until the installation get completed. And once the Nextcloud get installed on your Ubuntu server, it will automatically start the Nextcloud service. Okay, now here you can see Nextcloud has been installed. Now open up any of your browser, then navigate to this IP address 192.168.0.200. This is my IP address of my virtual machine. So here you have to type your virtual machine IP address. And now from here you have to create an administration account. Click on administration account name, type your username, then set a password. Then expand that storage and database section. And from here you can select where you want to keep your Nextcloud data and files. I'm gonna keep it default. I'm not going to change it anything. So I'm gonna close that, then click on install. And now it's going to complete the initial step of Nextcloud, and after that we'll be able to access the Nextcloud dashboard. Okay, so first initial step has been done, and now it will try to show you the recommended apps. If anything goes wrong and you will get this error, just do one thing, remove everything from here and press enter, and you will get the welcome screen of Nextcloud. Now click on skip, next, 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 and here is our dashboard of Nextcloud cloud storage service. Now click on this dashboard, then go to files, and now from this dashboard you can upload any file, folder, or can create a new folder, create new files, almost anything what you can do with the Google Cloud. You can upload any of your personal files here and it will store on your this virtual machine. And also from here, using the more apps, you can add more application on your Nextcloud server. You can use the Cloud Office and many more other options. But guys, for now you can only access this Nextcloud server only from your local network. Now to make it work worldwide, or if you want to access from anywhere, follow my next step. For this, minimize your browser and you have to take a new terminal window. Then also log in to your Ubuntu server using this terminal. Now open up your browser, take another tab and search here Cloudflare tunnel download. Then go to this link developer.cloudflare.com/tunnel/download. Now scroll down and from here download the Debian packages for your Ubuntu operating system. If you use Intel based chip or processor, use this option, and if you use ARM based processor like me, select this option. I'm gonna copy this Debian package ARM 64-bit. Copy the link from here, then get back to your second terminal and type this command wget, then paste that command here. Then press enter and it's going to download the Cloudflare Debian package on your Ubuntu server. Type here ls and here you can see the Cloudflare Debian package, and now we have to install this Debian package. So type this command sudo apt install / then the file name, then press enter, then type root password and press enter. Okay, so Cloudflare tunnel has been installed on our Ubuntu server. Now clear your terminal and type this command sudo cloudflare tunnel --url, then type here http, then localhost, then the port number 80, then press enter and it will create a domain to access your virtual machine from worldwide. And here is the domain. Your quick tunnel has been created. Visit at this. Using this URL, we can easily access our Cloudflare tunnel. But before accessing our Cloudflare tunnel using this domain, we have to configure our Nextcloud configuration page. Then get back to your first terminal, then navigate to cd/var/snap, then Nextcloud, then current, then again go to Nextcloud, then config. So here is the path where you have to navigate to, then press enter, then type here ls and here you will find a config.php. Now you have to edit this PHP file. Type here sudo nano, then type the file name, then press enter. Now scroll down and come to this section called trusted domain. Now from here you have to add a new domain to access Nextcloud server using the Cloudflare tunnel. So type this 1, then type equal to greater than sign, then asterisk dot, then navigate to your second terminal. Copy this from here, trycloudflare.com and paste it here. Then close it. Now press Ctrl O, enter, Ctrl X, and after that we have to restart our snap service or Nextcloud service. So type here sudo snap restart, then Nextcloud, then press enter and it's going to restart the Nextcloud service. Now again get back to your browser and now instead using this IP address from your mobile phone or from any other device, navigate to this domain. Copy this domain name and let's try another browser. I'm going to open up Safari, paste that domain here, paste and go. And guys, now here you can see we can access our Nextcloud dashboard using this domain. Now using this domain, you can access this virtual machine Nextcloud server from anywhere and upload all of your data to this virtual machine from worldwide. Let's log into our account, type username and the password, then click on login. And guys, here we are able to log in into our Nextcloud server. This is our very own private cloud storage server. And now using this, you can store all of your data, whatever you used to upload on third-party cloud service, can upload on your own cloud server and can access it from anywhere. So guys, that's all for today. That's how you can create your own cloud storage using the Nextcloud and store all of your data on your own computer. And now you don't have to spend any money to the cloud service provider. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you're watching SStec tutorial and I'm signing out.